Nyumba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya Bomas nikuo ajumbe a kuma kaunti 10 a kĩama kĩa United Democratic Movement magomanĩte magĩtongorio nĩ mũnene wao ũrĩa nowe gavana wa Mandera Ali Roba. Ajumbe aya nĩ maiguithanirie maũndũ matiganĩte ma kĩama ta marangi merũ marĩa magũkorwo rangi mũtune mũirũ na ngokoni kũrĩa na ruo rũri rwao rũgũkorwo thenge.
The NDC approves the new party officials and structures that has been presented to you by the secretary to the party. Do you approve that resolution? Yes. The NDC resolves to adopt the new party colors of red, black and yellow. You can see we are all adorned in those colors. Do you approve these colors as the official party colors? Yes. Thank you.
Kĩambĩrĩria-inĩ kĩa mweri ũyũ kĩama gĩkĩ nĩ gĩekĩranĩire ngirimiti ya kũrutithania wĩra na kĩama kĩa Jubilee na kumana na wĩiguano ũyũ rĩu ajumbe a kĩama gĩkĩ maugĩte magũkorwo makĩnyita mbaru Raila Odinga rungu rwa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja nĩguo agatuĩka president wa gatano.
The United Democratic Movement endorses the right Honorable Raila Odinga as its presidential candidate for the 2022 general election. Do you approve?
We have taken the opportunity to endorse you with our delegates so that mambo wanasiasa wanasema peke yao ya kwamba tunaunga mkono rais wa 5 wa jamhuri haijafanyika, bali tumefanya tukiwa pamoja na delegates wetu kutoka county 10.
Tumesema ya kwamba tunaunga mkono Azimio la Umoja kuhakikisha kwamba tunampigia kura Right Honorable Raila Odinga kama rais wa 5 wa Jamhuri ya Kenya.
Mũtongoria wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga augĩte wona ayũkio ũtongoria ta president gĩthurano-inĩ kĩa mweri wa kanana agatigĩrĩra nĩ athondeka barabara itiganĩte na gũkũria ũtonga wa kaunti iria ikoragwo rũgongo rwa bũrũri.
Mtaona kama gatuzi itaboreshwa. Na vile mambo ya miundo msingi, barabara tutengeneze, na hii mfugo yetu tunaweza kuwa nazo. Tunajenga viwanda vya kuchinja na vile mpango ya kusafirisha iende katika soko zingine.
Vile mmemteua baba kuwa presidential candidate wetu zote, na vile mmeamua kuungana na Azimio, kwa hivyo twende safari pamoja na tunajiunga na nyinyi kusema kweli ustawi kwa Wakenya wote.
Gavana wa Laikipia Derito Mureithi, gavana wa Kitui Charity Ngilu, seneta wa Siaya James Orengo na muteti Peter Kenneth ni amwe arĩa makuhubĩte mũcemanio ũyũ riri. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Kate Muthoni.